Okay, today I'm back. I will show you how to propagate succulents, okay, without drying them. Because I am also a member of the succulents group in Facebook, and I'm just observing how they propagate their succulents and cactuses, okay? I respect the way they propagate, okay? By drying the plants first, okay? That they call callus, okay? To develop callus. Once they dried, and you see there is they are developing a callus. But the way I propagate my succulents doesn't need to drying the plants, okay? I plant it direct to the growing, how you say that, soil, okay? Suited for the cactuses. And also, I use small pots, so they will be adjusted to their new pot and soil, okay? So, here is the mother plant, you see? And then, yeah, you see, there is a loose leaf, okay? When I cut the baby, the pups, the leaf accidentally fall out, okay, from the stem. So it's not a problem. I will show you other technique, okay? So here's the mother plant, okay? And then what you're gonna do, okay? I will have to wait. The soil is moisted, okay? So you don't need to water it, okay? Wait a few days before you water the plant, okay? Because today is beginning of autumn, okay? But the month of September is the best month to plant, okay, or repot any kind of plants. So here, I will only have to push it down, okay? Only have to push it, okay? And then after a few weeks, let's say 2-3 weeks, when I move it, the plant, you can feel that the plant is clinging, okay, on the ground, meaning there is roots, okay? It produces roots, and the roots cling on the ground, okay? So that's it. Now I have 2. And here is the other one of how I propagate the succulents, okay? You see leaves. This is a chocolate soldier, they called, okay? And then this one, okay, from this succulent. And some of them, they dried the leaf first, okay, to produce callus. But what I do, I just put it direct on the soil, okay, and I don't water it, okay. Just keep them lie down, okay, just lay them on the ground, and then a few weeks you will see, okay, they're producing baby plants or pups, okay, on the end of the leaf, okay. And here is my black rose. You see? This is a succulent plant, okay. Now I will show you how I propagate this, okay, by cutting on the stem, okay. Here I will cut here, okay. There you are. And then next year, I will be in the Philippines next year, and by the time I come back to Belgium, okay, that's the time I can water, okay, the black rose. So this is, okay. So I hope you learned from my video and see, okay. So I will just push it down, okay. There you are. And then in just few days, okay, I will water it, okay. I'll just leave them here in the pot so they can adjust, okay, to their new pot and soil, okay. But you have to pull some leaves, okay. There you are. Pull some leaves out. Now, there you are. Now I will plant it. There you are. You only have to push it down, okay? There you are. So that's how. I have two, okay? And then the leftover branches, I cut it, okay, both, and I plant it here. So they will next year produce another tree of black rose. Then next year I will have 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's how to propagate the black rose. This one I will only have to cut, okay? There. There. So it will produce next year, okay? So this is my Sansevieria cylindrica, my old plant. And I bought this in 2007, between 2007 and 2008. And they're already wild, okay? I propagated this plant and I have a lot of their pups, okay? Some of them, whenever they grow, I breed them, okay? So this time, I'm gonna propagate it, okay? Other way, okay? Because before I just cut the cylinder and then press it on the ground. But this time I will show you another way of how you say that, propagating it. Now, wait, I have to cut it here, okay? There you are. There. And this too. There. What I will do here, I will cut it, okay? And I will cut all this stem, okay? Okay, now I've cut them all. So this is how I do it, okay? Just insert it, okay? There you are. Only have to insert, okay? So, The same with the Harvartia or zebra plant, okay? This is also kind of cactus, okay? To propagate them, you have to separate, okay? There are the cuttings, okay? Or pups. You see, there are baby pups there, okay? 1, 2, okay? 3. You only have to separate them when they are matured enough, okay? Like this one. I separate it from the mother, okay? So, in just a few weeks, it will grow, okay? It will be adjusted to its new pot and soil, okay? So that's how to propagate or cloning your succulent plants, okay? So they are here. I only have to water them in 2 days or 3 days, okay? I'll just wait for them to adjust to their new pots, okay, and soil. So that's how they look like, okay? So I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching.